Welcome to Mykonos Town, or as locals call it, Chora, one of the most famous islands in the world, part of the enchanting Cyclades. Today, we're going to walk through the soul of Mykonos, exploring its vibrant streets, iconic landmarks, luxury hotspots, hidden corners, and even the island's playful residents. The charm of Chora, Cycladic magic meets modern life. Stepping into Mykonos Town is like walking into a storybook. The streets are narrow and twisting, with every turn revealing a new corner of beauty. Whitewashed walls glisten under the sun, blue doors invite curiosity, and bursts of bougainvillea spill over balconies like nature's own decorations. The energy here is mesmerizing, a blend of classic Cycladic charm and cosmopolitan sophistication. Caves hum with conversation, boutiques display stylish treasures, and locals and travelers alike stroll along cobblestone paths. Here, every corner feels like a photograph waiting to happen, a picture-perfect backdrop for your memories. One of the most iconic spots in Chora is Little Venice, where colorful buildings with wooden balconies sit right on the water's edge. Waves gently kiss the foundations, and if the sea decides to be playful, you might even get a splash of salty Aegean water as a souvenir. For photographers and Instagram enthusiasts alike, this is a dream come true. And when you need a moment to relax, Negrita, one of the island's legendary bars, offers a perfect spot. Sip a fresh lemonade or a cocktail while admiring the famous Windmills, perched majestically in the background. Soon, we'll get an up-close look at these historic landmarks. History, mythology, and the magic of Delos. Beyond its visual beauty, Mykonos is steeped in history and mythology. Legend has it that the island was named after Mykonos, a local hero descended from Apollo. Just a short boat ride away lies Delos, a sacred island believed to be the birthplace of Apollo and Artemis. Today, it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Greece's most important archaeological destinations, offering a glimpse into a world where myth and history intertwine. Walking through Mykonos, you might also notice the island's feline residents. Cats lounge in the sun, nap on stone walls, and enjoy the occasional fresh fish, living a life that seems almost too perfect to be real. These little creatures are a reminder that happiness here is simple: sun, sea, and serenity. Luxury shopping and glamour in the heart of Chora. No visit to Mykonos is complete without exploring its luxury shopping streets. Polished, stylish, and a little exotic, these streets are home to the world's biggest names: Louis Vuitton, Hugo Boss, and more. Walking through, it's hard not to feel the energy of fashion, elegance, and the allure of the elite. But Mykonos isn't just for the wealthy. Its charm is universal, inviting everyone to experience its streets, its food, and its culture. Here, the flowers spill over walls, the shadows dance in harmony with sunlight, and every corner seems to whisper, "Welcome, you belong here." The island of winds, nature, and climate, Mykonos is also famously called the Island of the Winds, due to the Meltemi winds that sweep across the island, especially in the summer. These winds keep the air fresh, breezy, and cool, perfect for exploring even on the hottest days. Interestingly, the island's history is as dramatic as its scenery. During medieval times, Mykonos was a pirate hotspot, a strategic stop for corsairs navigating the Aegean. And mythology tells us it's where gods battled giants, leaving behind scattered boulders that remain a mysterious and awe-inspiring sight today. Culinary delights, from street food to gourmet dining. Hungry? Mykonos is a food lover's paradise. Imagine tasting freshly grilled octopus, creamy tzatziki, fried cheese, and the freshest seafood while overlooking the shimmering Aegean. Dining by the sea, a typical meal might cost €25, 30 at a casual spot, while fine dining can go up to €50 or more per plate. For travelers on a budget, there's no shortage of options. Grab a gyros for €5 to €6 at a local taverna and enjoy the authentic flavors of Greece. Mykonos offers something for every appetite and every wallet, proving that luxury and simplicity coexist beautifully on this island. Beaches and serenity, the calm side of Mykonos. While Mykonos is famous for its nightlife and luxury, it also has a calm, peaceful side. Hidden beaches and tranquil resorts offer a perfect escape from the crowds. The main town beach, Paralia Chora's Mykonos, is small and cozy, just steps away from shops and kayaks. Crystal clear waters, gentle breezes, and sun-drenched sands make it an idyllic spot for relaxation. Picture this: a warm afternoon, waves gently lapping just meters away, soft music from nearby caves, and the salty, fresh Mediterranean air filling your senses. It's a place to unwind, reflect, and simply enjoy the moment. Iconic windmills and local festivals. No visit to Mykonos is complete without seeing the famous windmills, originally built by Venetians in the 16th century to grind wheat using the island's powerful northern winds. Once numbering 28, today about 16 remain, with 7 in Kato Mili, the most picturesque spot on the island. One of these windmills has even been converted into a museum, where visitors can learn how flour was once produced. Every September, the locals celebrate Harvest Festival, complete with music, food, and traditional festivities, a chance to step into the island's rich culture. The magic of Mykonos alleys. The alleys of Mykonos are not only beautiful, they were strategically designed to confuse pirates. Dead ends, hidden corners, and twisting paths made it nearly impossible for outsiders to navigate while locals knew every shortcut. Walking these streets is enchanting. A painted tree here, a small courtyard there, and playful cats claiming staircases as their kingdom. Every step feels like a secret waiting to be discovered, and every corner is worthy of a photograph or a memory. Famous faces, Petros the Pelican, and celebrities. No trip to Mykonos is complete without meeting Petros, the famous pelican, a beloved mascot since the 1950s. Rescued by a fisherman, Petros became a local celebrity, and today, new pelicans carry on his legacy, strutting confidently through town. Luxury is everywhere, from Salt Bay's flashy outposts to gleaming yachts docked in the harbor. Mykonos is a playground for the rich, yet its charm is accessible to anyone seeking adventure, beauty, and culture. Sunsets, churches, and panoramic views. As the day wanes, Mykonos transforms. Sunsets here are magical, turning the sky golden as the sea reflects the fading light. The windmills glow in the evening sun, and the streets become a runway of effortless fashion and style as tourists and locals alike enjoy the open-air spectacle. Panagia Paraportiani, a unique church built over centuries with 5 chapels, offers a serene spot to admire the sunlit curves of Greek architecture. Its soft, white exterior is more art than architecture, and a must-see for anyone visiting the island. Port life and island adventures. The old port of Mykonos gives a glimpse into the daily life of the island. Fishermen clean their catch, restaurants glisten in the sunlight, and boats offer excursions for history buffs or those seeking leisure. Ferries and the sea bus make island hopping easy, affordable, and scenic. Trips to Delos, catamaran cruises, and sunset sails cater to every taste, whether adventurous, relaxing, or festive. Imagine sipping champagne on a luxury yacht, the sun setting over the Aegean, or exploring narrow alleys with colorful flowers overhead. Mykonos perfectly balances luxury, tradition, and simple pleasures. Would you add Mykonos to your bucket list, or have you already visited this stunning island? Share your stories in the comments. I'd love to hear them. From charming alleys and vibrant bougainvillea to iconic windmills, crystal-clear beaches, and luxury ports, Mykonos is a living postcard, a destination where people come to relax, shine, and experience Mediterranean magic. Thanks for walking with me through beautiful Mykonos. If you enjoyed this journey, like, subscribe, and share your favorite moment in the comments. Your next adventure might be just a click away, and remember, never stop exploring.